You know what? TVs are so cheap these days. I mean, 32 inches smart TVs you can get for so cheap. $100 or less. Some brand new for $100, some even less used. I don't think it's worth fixing this TV and try to sell it, and definitely not try to keep it because I need newer technology to keep. Because technology changing so fast, it needs to step up. So when that comes, before I take it together, I'm gonna take all the wires out because all the wires got copper in them. Copper is the most precious metal, not the most precious metal that we use, but the most common because of all the electronics we use. They use copper in all of that, in the wires and everything they doing. So they really need that. This is these pieces right here. These pieces right here, that's stainless steel. Second to copper, when you go to the scrap yard, copper, stainless steel, aluminum. And then you got irons that, they call that scrap, and you got to have a lot of that in order to make some money. But this copper, it's like $2 a pound. I probably can get a half pound out of here. So basically, with getting all these, get all the wires and stuff, a half pound. So you like, you getting $1, $1.50 out of a TV. No, but with the stainless steel and these capacitors and stuff, I'm gonna say you can get almost a pound of copper out of each TV. So $2.50 you can scrap out of each TV that you get. Some more depending on the size of the TV, of course. And with the stainless steel too, you know what I'm saying? You almost $2.50, $3 per TV scrapping. So if you're going through the summer and you're just picking them up and you scrap them, maybe in a couple of months or something, you can have, I don't know, $20, $30 worth. Hold it on, put it in the, my bin where my scrap go at. At the end of the year, take it up there, give me 50, 60 bucks. Half ounce of weed. So that's what I'm gonna do to this TV. I'm not gonna waste too much time. I just trying to really clean out my shop, get all this together, because I'm not going back to TV repairs and nothing. I'm going into EVs. I'm gonna make some bikes and different stuff. No more of these TVs. They still worth fixing. I mean, if you go online and you see TVs that's broken and they selling for a real cheap price, and you want to get them and fix them, the parts to them don't cost that much. You know what I'm saying? They fairly reasonable. You know what I'm saying? If you just figure out with the labor, the part, the size of the TV, how much is worth brand new and different stuff, is it worth fixing? Obviously, I believe if you like the TV, and you know how to fix TVs, then it's gonna be worth fixing if you can fix it, because it's gonna be less than $100 for any part to fix it. So you ain't gonna see me do this TV no more. I'm just gonna scrap the metals out of it. I got 4 bins outside: copper, stainless steel, aluminum, and just the regular scrap metal. Separating them all. Usually at the end of the year, I take in and get 50, sometimes $100, depending on what I've done. Sometimes it was more than that, because sometimes I've cut up whole cars and took all the wires out of them, separated all the metals, and just a car separating them, you can separate and get $300-400 out of it. It's a lot of work cutting up a car. It takes you a couple of weeks the way I do it, but not a couple of weeks, depending on how you work on it. But so there. Another TV gone. Another Emerson. It looks like that I might fix that one, because I think it's just the diodes. Then I got 2 more in the shop that been sitting there a long time. I'm not gonna spend a lot of time on them. see what they were. One of them, which is a 46-inch, and it's probably 6 years old. If that one can be fixed, definitely I'm gonna fix that one. You know what I'm saying? But if not, oh well. So that's it on the videos on TV non-repair, because I didn't repair neither one of these that I got. But you get to see on the inside of them. If it can't fix, you know what to do with it. There it is. DIY 65 Davis. Peace.